Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Auto Atlanta. This week we'll be covering our daily activities. Currently, we have several 914s in the shop being worked on, and what you see in front of you is the steering rack and pinion cover, which we recondition.
That corner there, and just get along the edges. Go along every edge, front to back. So right now, when I turn the key, the blinkers are on, the lights are on, but they shouldn't be. So when I pull the hazard, they turn off, but they should be flashing. So I'm just trying to figure out what's causing the blinkers to turn on and engage when they shouldn't be turned on at all.
Okay.
That's what it should be doing. Except when I pull the hazard, they don't come on.
Okay.
But also, I need to do is they should be flashing. I don't think they are. Bruh. No lights.
The hazard lights not being on when they are commanded to do so is the problem we are currently trying to troubleshoot right now, by testing if it's a relay or testing if it's the switch.
That also shouldn't be happening. This should be the only thing blinking, not these two as well. So both of these are connected to this. But right from the key or not. Okay. I pull this, they both stop.
Okay.
That shouldn't have any effect. They should both be blinking like that while this is on, not off. I'm just going to switch to a different switch and see if my issue is
Okay. Now we're going to transition to our employee working on the rack and pinion cover for the 914. Here we have a 1974 914 2-liter. What we're currently doing is adjusting the timing by using a timing light, and we're also setting the dwell as well. All of this information is available in Tech Tips 700, which we have for sale on our website if you want to learn how to do this yourself. Currently, we also have a 1969 911T that was towed in for an ongoing intermediate battery drain issue, which we're troubleshooting. We have also recently received a 1972 914 1.7 liter from the body shop. It is a fresh coat of paint on it and is currently being cleaned out and having all of its electrical wires inspected and routed for testing. You may have noticed the jagged, rough cuts that look like a toddler got access to a hacksaw and started cutting up the car. Well, that's actually for a dealer installed air conditioning unit. Here we have this 2003 Cayenne S, which was towed in after the customer reported it died while it was driving. After running some tests, the voltage showed 11.9, meaning the battery needed charging. Once charged, we continued to run more tests, and while in idle, the voltage was below 11.9, recommending the alternator needs to be replaced. So we begun replacing the alternator for the Cayenne S. The 2003 Cayenne is really unique in which coolant actually runs through the alternator. That's what these two yellow plugs are.
All right, fuel injection 1.8. Driving and accelerating nice, shifting well. I like it.
Sweet.